Thyme salad. Step 1. Cut bread into thin strips, toss with olive oil and thyme. Mix well, then bake until golden and crispy. Step 2. Make the salad dressing. Mix 2 types of yogurt or use just plain yogurt. I used half Greek yogurt, half plain, and squeezed half a lemon. Finally chop mint leaves, discarding stems. Also chop a quarter bunch of dill. Mix herbs together and set aside. Step 3. Place washed and dried lettuce cut into medium strips. Top with half bunch chopped parsley, a cup of sliced green olives, and 3/4 of the dressing. Toss well to combine. Transfer dressed salad to a serving plate and drizzle remaining dressing on top. Finally, garnish with cooled thyme croutons. Enjoy.